So we rolled it in the booth, all prepped up, ready for its masking. So we're going to be setting all the panels up and everything, so we can come in here and get some paint on it. There's a fair few hours of masking to do, but it's yeah, it's completely ready to go apart from masking. We're going to set all the panels up along here like normally, probably the doors, the bonnet, the boot. You've seen it before, I'm sure. So we're probably going to set the camera up now and a bit of time lapse, just see a bit of the masking process. So yeah, next time you see us, we'll be in here starting to put the paint on it.
Yummy. Taste the broth.
Okay, so you've just seen us paint the orange bubble arch Mk1 Escort. There it is. Really happy with how it's come out. This is our Novol for classic car premium flow clear coat on here. You know, it's really, really clean. I think there's literally 1 or 2 dust nibs in it. You know, if we weren't going to be putting the stripes on this and flow coating it, it's literally, you know, run a bit of 2000 over it and just polish it, because it's, you know, it just flows out so lovely and flat, this clear coat. And with it being so clean, it doesn't need, you know, loads of flatting. But what we've actually got to do, we're going to block the whole thing out with some 1200 on some blocks. You know, any time you can use a block at any stage, it's just far better, because it just keeps everything so much flatter looking. So we're going to get it blocked out and then masked up, ready to put the pinstripe down it. Now, since the customer's seen the back half of the cage in the car and it's Cadbury's purple, he's decided and changed his mind from doing the stripes in black. Now he wants to do them in the Cadbury's purple. So, you know, it's going to be very individual, but we all think it'll probably look pretty cool. We've got to do the Mexico stripe, you know, across here and up the sides of the bonnet, so quite a bit of masking to do all that, but quite looking forward to doing that. And the stripes along the side are going to be coming along over the arch, right down both sides, with a pinstripe round the edge of it, so a fair bit of masking. And our process for that basically is, like I say, we'll get it all blocked down with 1200. We'll hang the doors back on. I'll pull all the pinstripes through. Then what we'll do is we'll take the actual doors off, get it all masked up, ready to lacquer it. Then we'll put the striping on for the purple. Then we'll demask all that, and then we'll just lacquer the whole car again. So there's still a bit of a way to go with it, but yeah, it's looking really quite nice. Right guys, hope you've enjoyed the video. Please give us a like and a subscribe. and in the next one we'll show you all the masking processes and re-clear coating it to its finished article. Thanks for watching, see you soon.